Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Farjana. Welcome to my another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how we can customize our all e-commerce pages like shop page, single product page, cart page, checkout page, thank you page, my accounts page, and all others pages by using a plugin Woolentor. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have set up a test website, and in this website I have already installed the Astra theme and also imported a pre-made layout. So it's a complete website imported and all the default pages is created by default. So if I check the pages now, we can see here is some default pages, and also these pages like shop, my account, checkout, cart page. So all these pages has been created by default from our Woocommerce setup. And now in this state, if we check the default shop page design, like if I go to the shop page, we can see this is our default shop page design. This is also looking good, not bad. And if we check the single product page, so this is the single product page design. And now if I go to add to cart, view cart, so this is our cart page. And now going to checkout, so this is the default checkout page. Now I will show you how you can customize all these Woocommerce pages using a plugin. So going to dashboard again, and from here going to plugins and add new plugins. And here I'm searching for Woolentor. So this is the plugin Woolentor. I'm going to install this one and going to activate. And now here in the left side we will find a new tab Woolentor. If I go to the settings page, going to general, so here we can see here is the feature list for this free version of Woolentor. And also here is some more advanced feature for the pro version. This is pretty common. We will get some advanced and extra feature in the pro version, but here we can also go with the free version if you want. We will also get much more features with the free version, like we will find 18 extra widgets. We can customize our shop page, we can customize our single product page, and with the pro version we can also customize our checkout page, cart page, thank you page, and all others pages. And here if we check all others tab, like here is the Woocommerce template settings. So from here we can set all the pages after creating our template layout. I will show all this in details after a few moments. Then here is the element list. So here is all element which will be available to our website from this plugin. So we can enable or disable any widgets from here if you want. Then here is the theme library. So these themes they are suggesting for this plugin, but we can use this plugin with any theme. And here is some more settings options we can check. And here is the amazing part, the template library. So we will also get some pre-made layout with this plugin, like here is 27 templates for homepage. If we check, so these are very cool layout for homepage. These are free, and in the bottom if we scroll down you can see some more advanced feature in pro version. And in the similar way, if we check the shop page, we will find 4 type of template. This one is free and this 3 is pro. And in the similar way we will find some layout for products page, cart page, checkout page, my account page, and all others pages. Now first I am going with the free version of this plugin, and here first going to customize the single product page. So going to product details page, and here we can select any template. This 3 is free, and then all these are pro version. So I'm selecting the first one, going to import, and here we can import to a page or we can import to our library. So first I'm going to import to library. Now crossing it, and now if we check from templates, we can see here is our template. So we can also customize the layout, and you can see here is the single product page design, and we can customize this layout with our own content. First, we are going to make the page layout to our default page. So going to settings from the left bottom corner, and here is page layout. It's working with the Elementor canvas. We can make it to Elementor full width, or we can select the theme. So it will be the similar layout of the other pages of this website. So now you can see the header area and footer area is showing, and the layout is the similar with the other pages. So here is showing the related products, and here is Woocommerce tab. For now I'm saving it, and if I go back to the dashboard and going to the Woolentor and Woocommerce template, and from here we have to select the single product template, and here if we select the drop down, here is the single product page. I'm selecting this one, and now save changes. And now if I go to the shop page, and if I go to a single product, we can see the product page layout is working. And here if we want to add some more text or more widgets to our page, we can also do that. For example, if I go to the templates, going to edit with Elementor, and here in the left side, here is the basic widgets from Elementor. So if I'm hiding this, and in the bottom area here is Woolentor add-ons. So all these add-ons are coming from our Woolentor plugin. These are completely free. So in the free version we can use all these widgets. So this is more than enough if we want to only the free version, and if we want more advanced feature or more advanced design, that case you can go for the pro version. For example, here I'm taking product rating, so we can add our product rating, and here I'm going to add some spacing in bottom, going to margin, making it to unlink, and to bottom I'm adding 20 pixel. And here is the pricing. So if we want to customize the text, we can also do that. Here is the price color. We can change the color to black or this dark color, and here we can also increase the font size. We can make the font weight to bold, and from here we can change the font family. We can make it to Monstrat and changing the line height. So if you're familiar with the Elementor builder, you know how we can customize the text style or font style. And here is the add to cart button. If we want to change the cart button style, we can also do that. Here is the button text color. On hover, here is showing the red color. We can also change this red color to this green color, and the text color we can make it to white, and the border color we can make it to green. It's now working, and the text color we can make it to white. Perfect. And here if we want to add more widgets, going here and searching for call for price. So this is another widgets from Woolentor plugin. We can take this. So if we want to add a button for call for price, so we can take this one. Here is the text and here is the phone number. So when someone click on this button, it will redirect to the phone number. And also in the similar way we can add some spacing in bottom. So going to advanced, and from margin making it to unlink, and for bottom adding 20. Looks good. And we can also add more style, more widgets as we want. So for now I'm just saving it and going back to the dashboard. And now I'm going to customize our shop page and all checkout pages. Before that, I'm going to install the Pro version so we can check the advanced feature in the same time. If you want to get the Pro version, I'll leave the download link in my description below, so you can get that from there. So after clicking on that link, you will redirect it to this Woolentor page. So this time they are offering the 70% off for their Pro version to celebrate their birthday. So if you want to get this discount, it will work for a very short time, so you can take this. Here is the pricing table for their discounted price. Here you can see 3 types of packages they are offering. These are for yearly price. Here is for 1 website, this is for 5 websites, and here is the agency pack. And if we go back to the lifetime, so we have to pay only one time. So the $50 for 1 website, and here is the $120 is for 5 websites, and the agency is for unlimited and lifetime. But after this discount offer, we have to go with the normal price, which is in the left side. I have already purchased their developer version for lifetime. So now I'm going to log into my account. So after purchasing the Woolentor package, we will get this kind of login dashboard, and here we will also get a username and password. So I'm going to log in, and from here I'm going to download, and here is the Woolentor. Download Elementor Pro. And now I'm going to install this plugin. So again, going to dashboard, going to plugins and add new, going to upload plugin and browse. Here is our plugin and install. Going to activate, and here they will also provide you a license key. So we have to add that license key here, and then it will be activated. And now in the similar way, I'm going to customize all other pages for e-commerce. Going to template library, and now I'm going to import some layout. First going for shop page, and we need to refresh it again because we just installed the Pro version, so it will be updated. I'm going to refresh it again, and now click on this shop again, and we can see the Pro text is removed and all is now available to import. So now for the shop page, we can import any one. For example, I'm going to import the second one and import to library. Going back and also going to the cart, going to import to library, back to library, and for checkout page also going to import this one, import to library, going back, and we can also import the account, the my account page and all others. For now I'm okay with that, and also going to the settings, and from here we can set the shop page layout to this shop layout, and product archive page for now it's okay, and the cart page we can select the cart page. We can also create a layout for empty cart page. For now I'm leaving it. And checkout page template, for that I'm selecting the checkout page, and here is some more options we can create, like we can create a specific page or template for thank you page. We can set the my account page, and also here is some more options. For now I'm okay with that and going to save changes. And now finally I'm going to customize my design. So going to templates, going to shop page, going to edit with Elementor, and here you can see our shop page is imported, but we have to change the page layout. So going to settings and page layout, we can set it to theme, and here we can add some spacing in this widget top and bottom. Going to edit section, going to add fonts tab, and for padding making it to unlink. For top adding top 50 and bottom 50, and here it's a different widget. We can also customize this. Going to edit, and here is the layout settings. Here is product layout. We can change also the layout style. It's the default one. I'm going back to the universal style, and here is the view mode. By default it's grid layout. We can change it to the list, so you can also change it to the list view. I'm going with the grid. And next, here is the query settings, so we can change the product query. By default here is the recent product. We can also filter this product by specific category or best selling product or sale product. Here is some more options. You can check all this. And here is the product limit. By default here is 3. We can change it to 9 per page. So now it's showing 9 product in the first page. And also here is the pagination option. And here is some more option. Pagination, we can make it on or off. Then here is the column. We can set it to 3 column to 2 column. So now 2 product is showing in 1 column. We can change it to any column, making it to 3. And we can also change the space between the product. And here is the bottom space. Then here is content settings. We can change the product style like this or like that. And here some more options like hide title, hide price, hide category. So you can check all these. And then here is the action button. By default here is showing the quick view, and here is the add to cart button. We can also change the button position to the right side. And here you can also change this icon style. Here is the style 1. We can make it to style 2. So now it's showing like this, and also another style. So it's showing this way. And from here we can also hide the quick view button. And here if we don't want to show these icons in default state, so we can make it to hover. So normally this button will not show, and when you hover over we can see all these buttons. Then image settings, we can set the thumbnail image, or we can set it to image slider. So if we have more images to our product gallery, so these images will show as a slider. And also here is a gallery tab item. So here if we have more images to our gallery, all these images will show in bottom area in a small version. So we can also click on these small images and our large images will be changed. And for all this product we can also change the style. We can change the font style, font color, box color, all this. For now I'm going with the default state. And here is the pagination. We can also change the pagination style. If I go to the pagination, we can change the alignment to center, and we can also change the color to our theme color or any other color. For now I'm saving this page and going to the shop page, and here we can see our shop page is updated. Next, going to customize our cart page. So going back to dashboard again, going to saved templates, and here is the cart page. Going to edit with Elementor. First changing the page layout, going to the theme, and also for these widgets, these are coming from different widgets. So if we want to customize this table, going to the edit table, and from here if we want to customize any options or if we want to remove any table, we can also do that. Like here, if we want to remove the product title, if we cross here, we can see the product title is removed, but I want to keep this as it is. I'm just showing you we can do many more customization as we need. And here if we want to change the text color, we can also do that. Going here, going to style tab, and here is the product title. From here we can change the color. So if we want to change the color to a different color, we can also do that. And also we can change the button color, button text. Going to the content, for example, if we want to change this button text like apply coupon, update cart, if we scroll down, here is the cart table action. Here is the text for update cart, and here is the coupon code. So if we want to change the text to apply coupon code, we can see the text is updated. And in the similar way, from here if we check, here is cart total, so we cannot change the text, but we can change the style. Going to style tab, and from here we can change the style for button and text. And here if we want to add more widgets to our cart page, we can also do that. For now I'm going with that. And if we go to the cart page, from here going to view cart, so here is our cart page. And now going to proceed to checkout. So I'm going to customize the checkout page again. From here going to dashboard, going to saved template, and this is the checkout page. Going to edit with Elementor, and first I'm going to change the page layout to the theme. Going to update, and from here we can see these are different widgets. So if we want to remove any fields from here, or if we want to add a new field, we can do that. In the left side we can see here is the additional information. So if we don't want this field, we can also remove these widgets. And here is the shipping to a different address. If we want to keep these options, or if we want to remove, we can also do that. And in the left side here is the billing details. I'm going here, and by default here is the text title. And if we want to customize the form field, we can also do that. Here is the manage field, and here is the modify field options. If I go to enable this one, here is showing some red text with alert. So if we change any text for the input field, we cannot see the instant change from here. So that case our change will not appear here, but we can refresh our checkout page and we can see. For example, let's go with the first field. Here is the first name, last name. If we remove the last name, and for the first name I'm leaving the one with the name. And here is the class, so it's related to our field style. Okay, so we can also see the change from here. So form row first, if we check the second field, we can see here is a different class, form row white. So it's working for the full width field. So I'm going to copy, and for the first one I'm changing it to form row white. It's not changing now, but it will work. And now if I save this page in this state, and if I refresh this page, we can see our field is changed to name only, and last name is removed. And here if we want to remove the company name, we can also remove this company name. I'm removing this, and refresh. Company name is removed. And here if we want to make any field to mandatory or not, so we have the options to customize all these fields. So from here we can make our country to required or not. And here if we want to add a new item or new field, in the bottom area here I'm going to add a new field. Here is some options. Field name, we can set it to first name, last name, and here is some default options. For now I'm going with the add custom field. And field label, I'm changing it to test field or only test, and placeholder typing test, default value test, and we can change the class name to form row width. And from here you can change the field type. By default this is text. We can change it to the password type, email type, tell, text, text area, select, or radio. So here is more options, and you can see this field data to your email and show in order details page. So these are enabled, and this field will be mandatory or not. We can make it to required. And finally if we want to move this field to top, so we can also do that. I'm moving it to after the name. And now if we save this page and refresh our checkout page, we can see our new field test is showing here. And also we have changed the country name to optional, so now it's optional. And in the similar way on the right side here is the order review, so we can also customize the style. Here we cannot change the field, but we can change the style. And finally, on the right side, here is the payment option. So from here we can also add some style for our checkout payment. We can change the button style. Here is place order button. We can change the button color. By default here is green. We can change it to blue. Now save changes. So we can see how we can customize our checkout page. And finally, in the similar way, we can customize our thank you page. We can customize our my account page, login page. And if we go to our dashboard again and going to the Woolentor, so from here we can see here we'll find some more options like sales notification, and we can also rename some labels to our form. And here we will find some more extension to add extra features to our Woocommerce website. Alright, so here is all for today. If you think this tutorial adds some value to you, please give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And feel free to comment below if you like to see this type of tutorial. So I'll make more tutorial about Woolentor and how we can customize our Woocommerce website. And also, if you like to work with me for any WordPress project, you can contact me through my website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.